China's first ChatGPT rival crashes a few hours after launching. Well, can't say that's unexpected. I mean, ChatGPT was a disaster for it still kind of is, right? Trying to get on there.
Uh-huh.
It's just bombarded.
I'm locked out now because it's full capacity and we have to pay to get access at this point. I've been trying to log in for like a week.
You're completely locked out.
Yeah.
How do they phrase it to you?
They say full capacity, pretty much. Hold on, let me just check right now.
I know, but full capacity means like you can pay to bypass the line, but also can't you just keep waiting for a free slot?
I could, but I think it's constantly maxed out right now. Like I can't even join. It just says full capacity.
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah.
You think maybe maybe Microsoft's involved in that too? Haven't you heard?
Well, they probably want my money. You know, they want my subscription. Probably.
I have a sneaky suspicion that they actually want my money.
Yeah.
Those crazy guys. They actually want my money.
So yeah, I can't even chat.
So this is China's first competitor to ChatGPT. It's called Moss. Don't mind the name compared to some of the other ones.
Yeah.
Compared to Bard.
When you say it like that.
Bard, good old pal Bard. I gotta get over there and talk to Bard.
I don't mind Moss either. I agree.
It launched yesterday. Within a few hours, it had crashed. Reuters reports a team working at the NLP lab at Fudan University developed the conversational language model known as Moss, described as being able to perform various natural language tests, including question answering, generating text, summarizing text, generating code, etc. Following the launch yesterday, Moss went viral on China's social media networks and saw state media refer to it as the first Chinese rival to ChatGPT. The instant popularity proved too much for Moss to handle, though, and its servers crashed under the load. Development team apologized. Our computing resources were not enough to support such large traffic. And as an academic group, we do not have sufficient engineering experience, creating a very bad experience and first impression on everyone. And we hereby express our heartfelt apologies to everyone. We knew that China ChatGPT would be coming because it was going to need to be different. Much in the same way that there's plenty of other software and hardware brands that are not accessible in China. Every time something pops off, you got to get the version of it over there. And of course, in the reverse type of way, you have TikTok in North America, which is North America's version of Chinese software. So in this case, they got to scramble to get their own ChatGPT going so they can keep tabs on exactly what it's doing and not doing.
But this kind of stuff happens all the time.
You think Chinese ChatGPT would write a poem about their president? No.
Shut down right away.
We cannot. Or it could just be a really nice poem.
Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't say anything at all. That's the safe choice.